Today, another day in the history of our nation. Yes. A day to sound a clear note of warning to those who claim they can form parallel government. We have come to ask them, where is their venue? Where is their location? Where is their president? This is a country and not a banana republic. That's all. The laws of the land can only be interpreted by the courts, whether the tribunals or the Court of Appeals or the Supreme Court. No one individual, whether it be Moses Paul or his gangs, no one individual can submit the sovereignty of Nigeria to his whims and caprices. This is a nation of people. We have come as different tribes, different tongues, and different languages. We represent the 371 tribes and tongues in this nation who have voted and given votes to different parties. We represent the knowledge of a victory declared by INEC, the institution given the sole responsibility to conduct state assembly elections, governorship elections, national assembly elections, and even presidential elections. It has come to our notice that some people have decided to take the laws into their hands, to ridicule our judges, to humiliate the peacefulness and decorum in other Nigerians, openly confessing treason that they will declare on May 29 their own president. May that intention never live long. Amen. We will not allow it. And let them be on notice. This malady can be cured. This freedom is not madness. It is a country. We have come to the appeal court. We have come to the Supreme Court to affirm and to wait whether Shetima election will be nullified. The Supreme Court, in their own knowledge, have stood before themselves and the lawyers involved and have given a verdict. We take the verdict of the courts. We celebrate that victory. Yesterday, President Muhammad Buhari performed his heroic duty of handing over the documents of transition on the seat of power to Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who within the next 72 hours will be dubbed, anointed, empowered, and graced, and constitutionally backed to rule, reign, serve, govern, and help the citizens of Nigeria. We have no problem in anybody exercising their disenchantments. They have rights to do that. But such right does not come with trying to declare another president in this country. Is he calling for war? Can he stand war? Can he bring his families out to face war? This is a peaceful country. This is the blessing of Africa's democracy. We have seen it. Obasanjo successfully handed over to Yar'Adua. He died. Jonathan took over. Jonathan handed over to Buhari. We have seen it. And Buhari must hand over to Asiwaju. He has no choice. So if Buhari is performing his constitutional duty, we cannot tolerate some people who have decided to distract him. They said he made mistakes in 1983. He's trying to correct such mistakes by handing over democracy to democracy, by handing over one government to another, by sustaining the democratic transition. That Buhari is going in the line of Abdul Salam, who went on and gave us democracy in 1999. Let it be known that whosoever this Moses Paul is and his gang, the natives of Nigeria have risen against him. We have risen against such malady, and he better withdraws from it within 24 hours. Otherwise, we will have to impress and march again to the security agencies to arrest him immediately.
So what's your message for other Nigerians across the country that are not in Abuja to join protests for either in support or against?
Well, you can see the Ijaws are coming out. The natives are coming out. They don't need to see all tribes coming out in different states to challenge them. A democracy gives us, whether you are a pastor or you are an imam, whether you have anointing or you don't, you have the spirit of the Constitution that stops you in 4 years and allows you to recontest and go to 8 years. And no matter your juju, you must stop at 8 years.
Yes, sir.
So the message to all Nigerians is that Asiwaju's government is going to be rich. It's going to be robust.
Yes.
It's going to be inclusive.
Yes.
It's going to be creative.
Yes.
It's going to be harmonious.
Yes.
Everyone that feels he has lost one thing or the other in the elections can begin to re-strategize. The country belongs to all of us. Yes. The resources Asiwaju will pretend upon belongs to all of us. Please, we are not against anybody, but we are against such madness of an attempt to bring out a factional president in the country. Having said that, we are going to do a night vigil. We are going to hold the streets till Asiwaju is sworn in.
Yes.
We are going to stay there until that baton is given to him.
Yes.
Until he's announced 16th president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Yes.
This is democracy.
Yes.
This is what we protect.
Yes.
This is the country
Yes,
we all
leader.
belong
Yes,
to. Thank you very much.
United!
Like say we know something.